This is looking good. All right. Oh, nice.
You want to have the honors.
Yes. Home away from home. Keys in the door. Let's go check it out. Looks like a nice one, actually. Shoes off. Ooh, this place.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
Okay, wow.
Really cool.
Oh, we got a fireplace. I forgot about that.
Nice. What else do we have here?
Old style, huh?
We are here. And it looks awesome. We have no wind.
This is pretty much the luckiest weather we could have had going hiking. Apparently it's 2 minus, but it's very warm and very sunny. I love it. Lovely. We've gotten a companion. A black fox joined the party. Hi, what's your name? He's looking at the view. He's looking at...
What is that?
Hello, hello. Are you joining us to the top?
Can I have 10 words that rhyme with mountains?
Of course, big dog. Here are 10 words that rhyme with mountains. Fountains, accountants, curtains, certains, chieftains, captains, sustains, maintains, entertains, and complains. How's that?
Not too good. Goodbye.
Yes. Okay, are you filming, Jerry?
Yeah.
Okay. I need to swap places because I'm poking this way.
Oh.
So,
I love you, brother.
I love you too, man.
Whoa. Oh, wow. You got your harmonica?
Yep.
1, 2, 1. We got 1, 2, 1. We got 1, 2, 1. We got blue skies. We got blue skies. Let us hypnotize you with this paradise. And we got sunshine. Yeah, we got sunshine. This is so fine. We got sunshine. We got mountains. We ain't got curtains. And we're no chieftains. But let us entertain you with these blue skies. We got blue skies. Let us hypnotize you with this paradise.
Oh, okay.
Not touching you. Not touching you.
Thank you. Not touching. Okay.
That last take was actually perfect.
Ah, sunlight, the warmth. Slippery on those icy rocks, huh?
A little bit slippery.
I almost fell.
A little bit slippery.
Almost fell. It was much warmer in the sun. So this is the start to something that's going to end up in a giant waterfall on the cliffside of this mountain. So we're gonna follow it and hopefully get some nice footage and a nice view over there. It's gonna be excellent. So we're almost at the top of this place called Kjerringkjeften. I think this. Oh wow! This is insane. Oh, holy crap! That is a view if I ever saw one. You guys are in for a treat. Treat and a half.
Let's see what we got. What do we have? Oh, the air changed. Oh my God! Are you kidding me?
Oh,
How insane is this?
I did not expect this at all.
How
What the?
insane.
Wow, man.
This is drop, man.
Man, I did not expect this at
300
all.
meters. That's insane.
I haven't been up there yet. There's a path going to the top here.
We're on the edge.
We are literally on the edge. I think this is one of the best views we've ever had. Holy. Oh wow, I'm gonna try to see if I can see down here with the camera.
Holy shit!
That is insane.
So it's the end right here.
The end is over here, yeah.
Oh my God! Look at this side. How do you capture this?
Can't be captured on the video. This is just too spectacular.
There's no strength left in my legs to carry me. I'm a man on my knees. Words in red, drops of blood, Saint Mary.
So, before we went on our trip, I made a little device. It's a water turning into wine device, and I'll demonstrate how it works. All you need is a glass of water and voila. There you go.
Thank you, sir.
Exquisite.
New day, new adventures. We are headed towards a suspension bridge near a waterfall.
We are.
Shouldn't be too long of a walk, but we have a beautiful path here.
I like to take my pictures a little bit darker and then do a little bit of post-production afterwards, but I'll show you what it looks like. Let's just make it a little brighter for you. Here is what we are getting. All right, enough of these shenanigans.
These are the niceties of life. These are the moments of surprise. These are the niceties of life. The niceties of life. The niceties of life. These are the niceties of life. These are the moments of surprise. These are the niceties of life. These are the niceties of life. These are the moments of surprise. These are the niceties of life. Whoa.
And finally, we're here at the waterfall. It was absolutely worth it. I was hoping it would be a little bit bigger, but it's enough for a nice little sip. Excellent.